Hi, thank you so much for coming to watch my channel. In this video, I'm going to have a beauty battle between two Benefit eyebrow products. One which is a tried and true favorite of mine that I've been using for years. Another one that's relatively new that I was convinced to purchase, we'll say. So the first product is Benefit's Brow Zings. So I'm going to turn that down a little bit, that way it doesn't reflect and blind you guys. And the other product is Kabrow, which is their newer kind of eyebrow product that they've been when they came out with their recent eyebrow products like a year ago. So I'm going to talk about the two different eyebrow products. What do I think about them, and which one do I think is best for thin brows, and which one I like the most. So if you want to hear more, keep watching. Alright, so I am going to start off with Kabrow because this is the new one. Oh wait, backtrack to the story of how I ended up getting this. So I usually go to the Benefit Brow Bar to get my eyebrows done. And when you're getting your eyebrows done, they kind of, make small talk about different products. I'm not going to say try to sell you stuff because they are never pushy. They just recommend things. So I was telling the woman who's doing my eyebrows that I usually use Brow Zings. And she was like, what? Brow Zings is so old school. I was like, excuse me? But okay. She's like, Brow Zings is so old school. You got to try the new product, Kabrow. So I ended up getting Kabrow in shade 4, and I opened it up. As you can see, it has this little special topper, and the reason why it has this little attachment is because this is a little brush. So it's a little, let me get out of the way. It's a little angled brush that basically you can use to dip in the product, perfect, and fill in your brows with it. So then you can put the little brush back, boom. Please work with me with the focusing and refocusing. Y'all know how it is. But then you can take the top off, and now you have this whole thing as one piece. And you have the little pot. Everything is used here. You have the little pot with the product in it. So 4 is not the darkest shade, I don't think, but it's one of the darker shades. And I usually prefer to have my brows darker since that's just my preference. So I like the Kabrow for the beginning of my eyebrows. It looks really nice, really natural. You're able to take that angled brush and kind of comb the little gel through your brows that you have, existing brows. And it kind of fills in the spaces where there aren't any brows, and that's really good. Where I come into an issue is at the end of my eyebrows, or what they call the tails. So I didn't use Kabrow on my brows today, but I just wanted to show you guys the area I was referring to. So this does not stick well to just skin. It becomes, even though it's opaque on actual eyebrow hairs, it becomes see-through, hard to detect once you put it on skin. So if you have areas where you're missing eyebrow, a lot of eyebrow hair, or you have a gap, or half the brows just falling out because age, time, all those things, it will not apply. It will not stay. It will look see-through, and you cannot leave the house like that. So, being that I have thin brows at the ends, I was like, I don't need that much help in the beginning of the brow. It's the ends of the brow. So, that's definitely a notch against Kabrow, that it does not apply to skin. Which, I mean, so much of your eyebrow area is skin anyway, in terms of what you might want to fill in. So, it's really, really disappointing that it does not work with that. But besides that, it has really long lasting power, hard to smudge, likes to stay in place, and is very opaque when applied on top of hair. So if you have a full eyebrow already and you just want to make it darker or a little thicker, I would say that Kabrow is great, and I do like it for the front, creating the front beginning of my eyebrows. So the second product in the beauty battle is Brow Zings by Benefit. So like I said, I'm tilting it down so that way the reflection won't kill you guys. So will not blind you. So basically this is what it looks like, the product on the inside. There's the brush. It has like I said, again, very used. It has a gel on this side, powder on that side. You get a little gel, get a little powder. Take the angled brush, and then you paint on with this side in the front to create that. Or you can take this little round side and then do the little ends, and then close it right back up, and it's perfect. I have this shade. There's also little mini tweezers that just fell out. Sorry, so I can't grab it. I'm gonna grab it real quick and show it to y'all. But this is shade 6. Shade 6 is the darkest shade. So if you have, if you're looking for like very dark brown eyebrows like mine to match like dark brown hair, or even if you have blonde hair but you just like the dark brown eyebrow look, then you can use this shade 6 Brow Zings. What I love about Brow Zings is that it fills in your brow like uniformly as you're applying it, and it sticks to both hair and skin. So because I have sparse eyebrows, products that just like cling to the hair, like microfiber to the hair, it's not helpful because I have areas where I want to actually fill in but there's no hair there. So that is why I love Benefit Brow Zings. This product is really great. It definitely is on my video for people with thin brows. Check that out if you have thin brows. And it's really easy to use. So I think that everybody should, you know, weigh the two. And clearly I think you guys see which one I'm leaning toward. But we're going to continue with the beauty battle. Oh, and I did say that I dropped this before. So this is the mini tweezers. So it's just like a little tiny set of tweezers just for emergencies. I mean, you could try and tweeze all your eyebrows with this, but that'd be a bad plan. So that is the mini tweezer that comes with Brow Zing. Not available with Cabral. So the last part of the beauty battle, we have the price. So for the Cabral, it's $24. And then for the, let me hold it the right direction, Brow Zings, it's $32. Now I know you're saying, okay, 24, that seems a little more affordable. I'm kind of liking that. And 32, but this does come with a brush that extends to a mini full-size brush and tweezers. So I mean, they're both really great products, and it's hard for me to just say this one's better, that one's better, because it depends on what kind of brow problems you have. So like I said before, this is just for filling in thicker brow, for brows that just have like need to be darker but they're kind of full of hair already. And this will be great for if you're missing spots and you want to fill in but you just have skin there. It will stick to the skin. Out of the two for the beauty battle, I would have to pick the Brow Zings, because even though this makes it thicker if you already have hair, Brow Zings does the same thing too. So whether, let's say if you have a beautiful full brow that you just want to make a little darker, you can use Brow Zings. But then if you wax too much one time or tweeze a little too much, you'll be able to fill it in with this product in addition to making it darker like how you usually do, because it will stick to the areas where it's skin. So I will say, even though it's more money, Brow Zings is my fave of the two. In general, Benefit makes great eyebrow products, so definitely check them all out. But if you can only cop one, Benefit Brow Zings, preferably in shade 6. I think shade 6 is the best. I think you're going to like it too. Alright. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and for watching this video, the beauty battle. But like I said, there are a lot of great brow products out there. And I really love Benefit products in general, so check them out. But definitely look at Brow Zings, and I hope this was helpful. If you're looking for more eyebrow videos, leave a comment of what you're looking for. If it's a tutorial, I will say it's coming soon. That just seems really daunting, but I'm gonna do it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.